Are you tired of feeling like your to-do list is running your life? Or maybe you're just wondering where all your time goes, like, did I really need to scroll Instagram for 3 hours? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I've got the perfect fix. In this video, I'm sharing the ultimate collection of apps to supercharge your productivity, help you focus like a laser, and make your work or school life way easier. Let's jump right in. To make things super simple, I've grouped these apps into three categories: productivity and time management focus, and mindfulness, collaboration, and learning. Think of it as the holy trinity of getting your life together. Ready? Here we go. First up is Notion. If apps were Swiss Army knives, Notion would be the one with all the attachments. Need to manage a team project? Boom. Want to plan your next vacation? Done. Want to pretend you have your life together with a beautifully organized calendar? Notion's got your back. Quick example. Imagine juggling deadlines, meetings, and your Netflix catch-up schedule. With Notion, you can keep it all in one place and actually feel like a productivity ninja. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. And Notion makes those small efforts seamless. Next is Todoist, for those of you who like to keep things simple. No frills, no fluff, just a sleek, easy-to-use task manager. Todoist's Smart Schedule feature is like having a mini productivity coach in your pocket. You can set tasks like finish the presentation or buy milk because you know you'll forget, and the app will organize your day like a pro. Bonus, it syncs with your email, calendar, and even your voice assistant. Yep, it's like Siri, but with actual skills. And then there's Clockify, the app for people who constantly ask, where did my day go? Spoiler, probably social media. Clockify lets you track how much time you're spending on tasks or procrastinating. Especially freelancers can track billable hours, and students can use it to guilt themselves into studying more. Either way, it works. Time flies when you're having fun or doom scrolling. Clockify makes sure it doesn't fly too far. Now let's talk about apps to keep you focused, starting with Forest. This app turns productivity into a game. You plant a virtual tree when you start working, and if you leave the app, oops, your tree dies. For example, you need to finish a report? Set a 25-minute timer, and by the end, you'll have a fully grown tree. Stay focused long enough, and you can even earn credits to plant real trees. Saving the planet and being productive? That's a win-win. And remember this, the best way to get things done is to simply begin, preferably with a tree. Oh, next is Headspace. Because being productive isn't just about doing, it's about having a clear mind to do it well. This app offers guided meditations, breathing exercises, and even bedtime stories. For adults, yes, and they're amazing. Feeling stressed about an exam or deadline? A quick 3-minute breathing session on Headspace can help you reset and refocus. Think of it like a spa day for your brain, but without the awkward small talk. And for my music lovers, there's Focus at Will. It's like Spotify's overachieving sibling. This app curates music scientifically designed to help you concentrate. No distracting lyrics, just tunes to keep your brain in the zone. Choose a playlist that fits your vibe, whether it's chill beats, classical, or I need to write this essay in one sitting energy. Because sometimes Eye of the Tiger just doesn't cut it. Let's move on to apps for teamwork, starting with Slack. Think of Slack as the cooler, more organized cousin of email. You can create channels for specific projects, share files, and even add integrations with other tools like Google Drive. For instance, you're working on a group project? Create a Slack channel to share updates without spamming everyone's inbox. Because nothing says teamwork like avoiding a 100 email chain. Next is Grammarly, aka your writing BFF. Whether you're writing emails, reports, or essays, Grammarly makes sure you don't sound like a robot, or worse, like you failed middle school English. It checks your grammar, spelling, and even your tone. Write an email like, hey, give me that report, and Grammarly will politely suggest, how about, could you please send over the report? Game-changing, right? Good writing is clear thinking made visible. Grammarly helps with both. And finally, Coursera, the ultimate app for lifelong learners. Want to pick up a new skill or level up your career? Coursera offers courses from top universities and companies like Google and IBM. Whether you're learning coding, project management, or digital marketing, Coursera lets you learn at your own pace, sometimes for free. Let's be honest, binge watching a course on Coursera feels slightly more productive than binge watching an entire season of your favorite show. Plus, no cliffhangers, just certificates. So there you have it, my ultimate collection of apps to boost your productivity, focus, and collaboration. Whether you're planting virtual trees, tracking time, or crushing deadlines, these tools are here to make your life easier. Which app are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss more productivity hacks like this. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. So why not start with the right tools?